Ibigazo rapakabilika makubanye mukasitaga kusinika abandi bagita buza kugendewa buza
Isambuhay ang meron tayo. Isambuhay mamuhay ng tama.
Isambuhay ang meron tayo. Isambuhay mamuhay ng tama.
Opportunity comes once you better exercise your generosity. I know everything gonna be fine.
As we're now getting set for the boat cruise, as you can see, Cyrus is now set.
Mic check 1 2.
Mic check
1 2. We are live.
This is small. Big boss. Yo guys, subscribe to Ntani Online TV. Talk about yourself. You know. Alright guys, safety first, right? Yeah, safety first. So for this bag, please, I'm gonna see you over there. We're now going for the boat cruise. We are at Kazinga channel. So safety first, guys. Request for one down. Papa.
Okay.
All right.
Me. Where's the jacket?
We're going down and see. Go get down.
Who is this?
No one. Yana kama bure. Mukadanta ya school friend ndo bora ndo.
And we are happy that I'm following you. More members are doing that.
Are you serious? Where are they?
Down.
Papa! Wow!
Reptiles like monitor lizards and young crocodiles. So they are always found in pairs, just like you can see these ones, because they are monogamous marriages. They marry for life. There is no replacing, even when a partner dies. So it's always a couple of a male and a female. And they are birds that lie under sexual monomorphism. Yeah, this is where Okay, I just mean this is where sexes are different to distinguish. Yeah, but in most cases the females are always broad and a bit larger than the males. Yeah.
So getting what? Gaza! Gaza! Representing what? Gaza! Nobody so? Nobody do what?
Nobody come.
Alright, there so it's all about travel with Joseph Uganda. The beauty of everything lies in Uganda, guys. Huh? Music on board, Baba. Yeah, but I just tell you go. But I'm going to use you. Guys, vibe after vibe, yeah. Yo guys, this is now Kazinga channel, and I'm with my brother Tony, and I think he'll tell us more about this area. So Tony, please tell us something about this place.
So we are on Kazinga channel. It's a natural waterway connecting two lakes. That's Lake George and Lake Edward. So Lake George is on a higher altitude than Lake Edward. So water flows from Lake George up to Lake Edward. So Lake Edward is shared by two countries, the most part of it being in Congo and the least part of it being in Uganda. Yeah, so Kazinga channel is averagely 38 to 40 kilometers long. Yeah, so it's also known for its highest concentration of hippos among the water bodies in the whole world. Yeah, it also has a higher concentration of crocodiles. It is just a channel, not a lake. Most people think it is a lake. No, it is a water body. It is a channel. It was formed as a result of faulting, yeah, between a surface pulling apart the other side and the remaining part sinking down, forming something like a valley, which was later filled up by water, making a channel. Yeah, exactly. So here we are. In front of us, we have a herd of elephants.
Yeah, guys, there are some elephants, very many of them, by the way. And then down, if you can see, let me zoom for you guys, and you see some hippos. Yeah, hippos are here. Yeah, hippos are here down, and then the elephants they're up there. Yeah. Okay, it's a beautiful activity, and remember, Kazinga channel, the only activity that is here, it's boat cruise and fishing, right? Yeah, it's only fishing and boat cruise. Ooh,
It's very shallow. They are just lying down.
they're sunbathing.
Yeah, the depth. Yeah, the depth.
You know, it is too hot now.
Yeah.
So when it is hot, elephants come from the bush to the water bodies.
So like can the elephants be attacked by the hippos?
In fact, all of them are herbivores, so there is no much harm that is between them. Unless it is a lion or a leopard, there would be a problem. But these ones are herbivores. There is no one harming each other.
Okay.
Exactly.
You know, hippos are not bush swimmers.
Isang buhay, ang meron tayo. Isang buhay, mamuhay ng tama.
Opportunity comes once, you better exercise your generosity. I know everything gonna be fine. People will want to put you down.
So guys, as you can see, we are still on our boat cruise. It's really something very big. It's a big boat that will give you or any client a very special experience of our safari. We are still on Kazinga channel. As you can see, the boat is even not filled up. Most people are up the boat. For us, we are inside now the boat. So here you can have a nice view. As you're seeing, most of the water is green due to a few factors: the high concentration of algae and the green carrying matter in the background of Kazinga channel. So guys, if you are planning your trip, book with Joseph, travel with Joseph Uganda and the tourist guide Tony. I'm here to take you through. Joseph, thank you for visiting Kazinga channel. I'm really happy to have hosted you again today.
Having up a cool, excited journey, sailing up on the top of the water, and then this is Kazinga channel, as I told you earlier before. And then my guide told you that, my guide said, you will see that the water is so green just because of the high concentration of algae, and then even a dew of the green surrounding. So the fact is, don't try and ask very many questions about this lake because maybe just because of the color, what? No, please, just take that the water has high concentration of algae. That's the fact. And then remember, if you want to come to Uganda, book with me, Travel with Joseph Uganda. We have just begun our journeys to tourism, and the fact is, we want to change we want to change the mindset of the Ugandan people, whereby they should know the value of the good things or the value of the beauty in our own country. So wherever you're watching from, please try and book up your trips with me. Check out my email on my profile on YouTube. My numbers are all there. Please book up with me. Celebrate Travel with Joseph Uganda, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We're all about exploring the beauty of Uganda, the pearl of Africa.
Become once to the world, my brother. Better live your life right. One thing, we all don't know tomorrow. A simple thing, my sister, keep on your hustle. Keep dreaming, keep the high to the level. Let up all your candor, let up all your mercy, let up all your love and the generosity. One love to the world. One love to the world. One life is all we live. Hey, hey. One life, let's live it right. One life is all we live. Hey, hey. One life, let's live it right.
Kung hindi mo kayang iguhin sakaling mabura mo ang kalungkutan.